Before this court, yet it has set it aside.
This court clearly stated in its ruling that he doesn't have the wherewithal, the jurisdiction and the power to declare a law that's passed legitimately by the State House of Assembly.
Meanwhile, the Court of Appeal Abuja Division has reserved judgment in the appeal filed by a former Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Martin Maule, and 24 orders against the Speaker, Victor Oko Jumbo, and 5 others. The appellate court reserved verdicts in the matter after parties have adopted all their briefs in the matter. The proceeding that was conducted virtually on Thursday, Maule and others are asking the court to stay execution of a high court verdict which saw them out of office and further proceedings in the suit, and that whatever decisions Jumbo has taken while in office should be set aside. They are also asking for an accelerated hearing in the matter, while contending that the order made by the trial court was without jurisdiction. The respondents prayed the court to dismiss the appeal for lacking in merit because the records of appeal transmitted were incompetent after the submission of the counsel in the appeal. The 3-man panel led by Justice Jimmy Olukayode Bada reserved judgment to a later date. The appellate court had, in a ruling on June 14, ordered that all parties in the suit maintain the status quo and cease every form of hostilities until the matter is heard and decided. Nigeria and South Africa have agreed to strengthen ties and engender better economic and bilateral relations between the two African giants. This was during a meeting between President Bola Tinubu and his South African counterpart Cyril Ramaphosa in Johannesburg. The host president met President Tinubu to personally appreciate his presence at the inauguration of the country's 7th administration.
Collaborative economics that will help our downtrodden and vulnerable people.
The two countries, South Africa and Nigeria, are very important in our continent, and when the two countries work together, which we are, and we do things together, it benefits Africa.
National Association of Nigeria Students, NANS, has lauded President Bola Tinubu's effort to reconstitute tertiary institutions' governing councils. A statement by the national president of the association described the development as a clear demonstration of the President Tinubu's administration to reinvigorate the glory of Nigerian education. He also said the move will help in addressing a myriad of problems bedeviling the academic institutions, as well as improving the well-being of the academic system in Nigeria. While congratulating the new reconstituted Governing Council, the association urged them to run an open-door policy and engage student organizations to fast-track successful implementation of the program to facilitate sustainable development in the sector. More than 500 new members of the Nigerian Institute of Public Relations from the media industry have been inducted into the professional body. Minister of Information and National Orientation Mohammed Idris, who was represented at the ceremony, enjoined the inductees to abide by the ethics of the public relations profession as a catalyst for positive change and development.
Role of not just representing your organizations, but also going forcefully to speak positively, write forcefully about your own country.
The essence of enforcement and compliance is not for prosecution, neither is it for persecution. It is to do things well.
Well, those are the highlights of the news at this time. Good Morning Nigeria continues with Victor and Erie. After the commercial break, please don't go away.